Hello everyone, and welcome to the Paintology Paint by Numbers tutorials. So here we're going to do a very simple drawing, and it will get you familiar with the brushes, the color palette, and the paint picker tool, which is on the bottom left. So let's go ahead and do this drawing. So as you can see, it's paint by numbers, very simple. We have the color code on the left, and then we just simply take the colors and paint around it. And so that's what we're going to do. Let's start off with 1, and 1, as you can see, it's a red color. So we can go ahead and pick the red from the color palette here, and then if I pick a brush size here, you can see that's red. But if we want to get the exact colors, we're going to pick the color from here. So we select the brush tool, and then we're going to select the color red, uncheck it, and now we have red on the top right. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now we have 3, so the same thing, we're going to check the 3 and then uncheck it here, and we have 3 here. So let's go draw that. Naturally, you'll spend more time than I'm doing here to get yourself. This is a very good way to get drawing digitally. So 2, the same thing, 2 there, and then uncheck the color, and we have the green there. We may want to increase the brush size a little bit because I'm just speeding up, you see. Okay. Same thing with 3. 3, well, we already know 3 is there, so it's just simply pick it from there, and we're back to 3. And then finally 4. So again, 4 there, and check, we have 4. So there we have it. We have the drawing already made, and now you can go ahead and save it here, save, okay, and then you can go back home, okay, and then you'll be able to see your saved drawing in my paintings. Okay, I hope that was very useful to you, and then we'll meet again for another tutorial.